Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info System. Today we are exploring Flutter native event channel. Okay, event channel is a Flutter in a communication mechanism for streaming data from native code iOS and Android to Flutter. Okay, unlike method channel, which is used for the direct one-time call and response. Okay. Event channel is designed for continuous real-time data transition. Okay, I just create one Flutter native event channel example. Okay, and look at that example. I create one event channel stream. Okay, and add the receiving broadcast stream. Okay, and designing part, I use the stream builder to receive continuous streaming data from to native. Okay, in Android side, look at that, the Android folder in main activity. Okay, I add the event to receive from Android to Flutter side. The channel name is the same used for the Flutter side. Okay, look at that. And I use the simple example for the timer. Okay, do only 1 second to send the count increment. Okay, look at that. This Flutter side, Kotlin, Android side, Kotlin code, and the event channel. Okay, and I use the count method to increment every 1 second. Okay, and send the data. Okay, and iOS side, look at that, for the iOS folder to app delegate.zip file. Okay, in this file, I same name used for the example slash stream name, the same name used for the in Flutter side. According to your requirement, you can change your name, any name, to separate name like Android and iOS. Okay, and use for the different purposes. Okay, in this iOS code, I use the same example for the Android to count value to increment every 1 second, and trigger for the stream listener Flutter side. Okay, I show the run the code. I already run the code in emulator. In Android emulator, look at that. Okay, thus show the messages from the data from native to Android count. Okay, every second to receive from trigger to native to Flutter side. Okay, every second count increment. Okay, look at that, the Android main activity class. Okay, the same used for the Android count. Okay, and I show in the iOS emulator. In the iOS emulator, the same used for the example, and the iOS emulator show the iOS counter, so every second the increment count. Okay, value. I just to show in the app delegate shift. Okay, iOS count, the every second increment the count. Okay, that's it from my side.